Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here, Catnpaws. So I have a Tuesday morning and just a smidge of Joann's to show you. I did get the flyer in the mail for Tuesday morning, so if you're interested, there is an event, a sales event that starts this Sunday, the 3rd of June. And they also have a clearance event going on as well. So the 1st through the 3rd, 25% off all clearance. And my store has a lot of stuff on clearance. I'll show you real quick what's in the flyer if you're wanting to know. There's a couple things in there I'm interested in. And so here's the inside layout. Anything in particular? I like the big bath sheets. They have some doggy steps on sale. And then the back side of the flyer, they have drones. And then I'll show you what interests me the most are these. They're 99 cents, but I did end up getting some. I'm hoping they have other colors there. And then they do have a storage tin, which I have. One of these, I'll show you real quick what it looks like and how it holds inks. So it's this. It holds these mini distress inks. There's a plastic case in there so you can separate out your inks, but I think that can be removed. Yeah. I paid, I don't remember. I got it at Michael's. I think it was on sale when I purchased it, but they have it there for $3.99. Or will on Sunday. And then they have some stamps and a clip carousel. That's the crafty stuff I saw. Again, that starts Sunday the 3rd. Okay, enough about that. Let me get that out of there. So what I did find, some of the distress. But I'm hoping for more colors. So these are 99 cents. And there's the number. This is in the broken china. And this is a stain with a spray bottle. And then these are the daubers, carved pumpkin. Picked raspberry. And are these different numbers? I think they are 70, 68. Yes, they are. So they picked raspberry 68. And I know, if you catch my wrist, that is poison ivy on there. I decided to go out and pick the weeds and mulch on Saturday. And I end up, getting poison ivy. So, for this one, it ends in 81. And it is brushed pewter. Look at that. It's very silvery and... Or that one doesn't have one of the shaker balls. You can hear it in there. Maybe because it is the pewter color. Like spray paint. And my last one was wilted violet. Again, this is the dauber. And there is the number ending in 79. I do have a couple from last year at Tuesday morning, and it was wrapped in plastic, so the price tag's not on there. This is what it looks like when you open. Well, you press down and the liquid comes out, in case you don't have any of these. So that is the dauber type, and then this is the stain, spray stain. I actually bought that at Joann's, and cap pops off and it just sprays. It's a vintage photo. All right, so that is all my distress stains I got. And then, continuing, while this was on clearance, I got some more of the metal beading wire. So, just in case you're curious, there's the number. And then here's the number on this one. And that one's purple, and that one's gold. Oh, guess what? I missed one. Wild honey and the stain spray. So there's a number. I was moving my bag and I felt it in there. Okay, that's everything. The last thing I got it Tuesday morning, wow, I felt like I got more stuff, but I've been really trying to cut back on my crafty spending. I gotta use some stuff up. There is the number. This is the Fabulous Kit, and I'll show you what's in it. I looked out a couple months ago and actually found the 12 by 12 pad, paper pad. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. So some cut aparts. I think you can see that. Here's some glasses, a variety of glasses. Ooh. The multicolored and the black and white specs. That says Stay Sassy. Polka dots. I like the cherries. And ooh, that check print. It is kind of trippy. Flamingos wearing party hats. And then there's a sticker sheet. And also a like punch out sheet. So that was the paper I got at Tuesday morning, and then my stains, and hopefully I make it there Sunday to see if they have any more of the stains. And just set that aside. I'll show you real quick what I got at Joann's. Again, not much. Did any of you guys end up doing the going 2 times getting a 5 off of 5 coupon? Well, that is why I had to go to Joann's, because that coupon was like going to expire. Then it expires today. They had their single sheets of paper as a doorbuster, and so they come out to 20 cents a sheet. And I think they're all one-sided. So these woodland creatures, I always get a couple just so if I mess up, I have another one to work with. These bunny rabbits. They had a lot of like patriotic paper. Some music notes. Or music sheet, however you want to look at it. Try a couple of those. And this is the thinner. It's not the cardstock or scrapbook paper. It's very much like computer paper. And then I got, just one of those. The flowers. So because the coupon did not apply to that, I had to find other things, and I kind of looked up and down and what can I get. I got some of this, it's cotton cord. I'm thinking I can use it to string a journal together. First time trying it, it was over by the beading. And it has the neutral colors on there. 15 feet. And I picked up these lanyard hooks, again, right over by the beading section. And I'll show you what I want to do with these. I'm hoping it works. So, nearly done with this journal. And I put a tag in here. And I put one of these Tim Holtz trinket pins on there. But I don't like how it sticks out. And there is a little bead on there. So I'm going to take this off. And I want to try the lanyard hook instead and see how that works. So we'll do it together. By the way, that's all I got. So now I'm just like showing you what I got at the store. What I'm going to do with it. These come in a tri-tone. Okay, if I can get it open. It is. Where's my scissors at? Cut that off. Let's try the, is it tri or is it? Oh no, wait, there, no, there's 4. There's a gold, a copper, a bronze, and a silver. So there are 4 colors. Oh, now I'm not going to be able to get them back in. 75 pieces. It said on the packaging. If I had to gander, I guess the price, it was either $4.99 or $5.99. But then I had that coupon. It was on sale too. 30% off their, some of their beading supplies, or I forget how they worded it. But that is it, 75 pieces. So everything together I got ended up being like $4 and something. So I'm hoping this works. We're about to find out. I want to try to put this on here and see how it looks. Let's see there. Oh, I kind of like I can put a bead on there. Maybe. I don't think I'll get a bead over that. It's probably going to be too thick. Maybe a bigger one. Or maybe I can wire wrap it even. So let's put that away. See how it looks in here. Oh, that looks cute. Alright, that's what I got. Thanks for joining me for a few. Take care. Bye-bye.